Dude, what the f are you doing that for, man?
That's my bad.
That's cute, man. That's real cute.
I really had some
There's
time.
a little one for you.
Yeah, yeah. Whew.
I like that 67.
I will see you. Yep. I'm in Friday.
Bridge and leaves and stuff.
Oh, sorry, I can't see.
Mine's been calling me. Just in the
2015.
Hey, my boyfriend does it all the time, so y'all don't be surprised.
Maybe I am your boyfriend.
No, you're not.
I'm cuter.
My boyfriend, you want to be that? Yeah.
I take over the streets, fresh out that banana boat. I come straight from the east, but niggas split talk kinda low. You tell me where you.
This one was $15, but it was a 12-8.
Oh, I'm sorry.
There we go. All right, let's go.
Down there, layer was wrong. Heck yeah. So not gonna buy it though. You do it in the face though. It's really big.
Stop at a convenience store, buy this. Next convenience store, buy that. Next convenience store, buy that. Seem like all you want to do is eat.
Pee down his leg.
I'm sorry about that.
Really, dude?
I'm sorry, man. Just a little fart. You be alright. Here, hold that. You're gonna watch it. I tried to warn you.
Flat or not?
See, these are the wood.
Check up on my ear, Johnny Montana.